Everyone, I hope you are doing well and preparing for CS studies. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to start your preparation. Now, what do I mean by preparation? Not that preparation in which you studying from the introduction part. No, this is not that type of preparation. Let me explain. So now probably you will be watching your regular lectures and revising from your tutors or coaching institutes notes. That is basic that everyone needs to learn or do. But after you have done with your revision along with the lectures, so now you have an idea about what is the content of the chapter, and you have just basically gone through the notes of your coaching classes, right? Now after you have done your this revision, now when you are studying for your second revision, please don't follow the same strategy. Now what I mean by that is, first, when you are sitting for your second revision, go to the ICSI website, download the past papers, guideline answers, and go through the content of the questions which have been asked in the previous attempt. December 24 attempt or past 3 attempts if you follow the new if you are following under new syllabus. Go through the answers, see what type of questions have been asked in the past attempts. So when you go through the questions, you will have a fair idea about how to prepare it. Now when you have if you are studying a particular chapter, let's say share capital, so when you are going studying again that share capital chapter, so go through which questions have been asked previously. When you have studied, when you have gain and fair idea and knowledge about the questions which have been asked from that chapter, you will now prepare according to the questions which have been asked, because you already know the contents of the answer. You just need to know the questions. Now why this strategy? See, when you to the exam center and you firstly you get the question paper in your hand, the first thing, uh, we see the paper and we get panic because we haven't been through the question paper. We are going through question paper for the very first time. Now this is obvious, but when you have firstly or subsequently when you have gone through the question papers and guideline answers, you will be familiar to the questions which have been asked. So now you aren't alien to the concepts, alien to the questions which have been asked. So firstly you will get a clarity about the questions, which is very important. When you have gotten a clarity, then you can study according to the questions which have been asked. And secondly, you get your confidence, obviously, because when you have studied the entire questions, and when you have got that what exactly the question asked to you, you can prepare your answers accordingly and revise accordingly to the questions which have been asked. So this will give you confidence, boost your confidence. Secondly, it will give you a clarity, and you will be familiar to the questions. So whenever you start your second revision after you have done with the lectures, please please, along with your preparation, go to the guideline answers, see the questions which have been asked, and then prepare. Don't just go through the regular notes. Along with that, please go through the questions which have been asked. So this is it for the video. I hope you got how to start your second revision. If this was a if this gave you a clarity, then please do like and share. Thank you.